Hi, I heard you are in a hurry and you want to install Java really fast. So let's see how to do it. First, you need to go to this website to install the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Alright, it's used basically to run Java programs. To install the JDK, you need to go to the Oracle website. Oracle is the company behind Java. So you need to go down here, which I'll include all the links for this video in the description box. Okay, let's see. You see what's your operating system and decide which link to press. For example, here I am using Windows x64, which means I will download this link. Alright. Then you need to use an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now this one isn't really needed, but it's a nice way to program inside because it's like a fancy text editor, and it's used to make our life as a programmer much more easier. Now there's different variants you can use for Java. For this tutorial we'll use IntelliJ. So you go to this link and then you press download. Then you pick the community since it's free, and when you go for more advanced projects you'll use Ultimate. So click download, and since I have it downloaded, so I'll cancel this download. Now after you're done, you'll have these two files. First, install the JDK. Basically keep pressing next here, but remember this path. You'll use it to link JDK to the IDE. Click close. Now open IntelliJ setup. Now click next, and here's where IntelliJ will be installed. Click next, next, install. When you are done, click finish, then run IntelliJ. Click do not import settings since we don't have any settings. Now set up your theme. I'll pick Dracula. Then click next. Click start using IntelliJ. Click create a new project. Now specify where your JDK is installed here. Click new. Then click OK in the folder JDK. And then click next. Click next here. Then name your project. Let's say it's test project, and the project will be here. Click finish. You will see this window which will appear every time you open the program. You can click show tips on startup, or if you don't want to show, it's up to you. Now to make sure that Java is installed correctly, go to here, then click in source, new Java class, name it anything, let's say it's test class. Go down here, then click PSVM, then S out, then place double quotation and say Java is installed correctly, for example. Then right click, run. If you see this message down here, then you know that Java is installed correctly. This is just a sample code just to see if Java is working or not. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider pressing like or subscribing to this channel.